Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on HOTWAV Pad 8. And to do this, first let's open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, I'm gonna go with the settings. Then make sure that you're on top of the page and locate the volume up and volume down in the power key. And for me, they are located right here on the top. Also, one thing is to make sure that your tablet is in the vertical view, not in the horizontal, because otherwise full page screenshot or any kind of a screenshot won't work. Now, click on the volume down key and power key at the same time. Then select the capture mode on the pop-up, and here you'll be able to adjust the size of your screenshot, save it, and it should be sent to your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.